Hello everyone, this is Madhumita here, Assistant Professor, Department of Nutrition and Dietetics, St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. Today's session is about research design. And let's see the introduction. Research design, decisions regarding what, where, when, how. A research design, the arrangement of the conditions for collection and analysis of data in the manner that aims to combine relevance to the research purpose with economy in procedure. The designing decisions happens to be in respect of what is the study about, why is the study being made, where will the study be carried out, what type of data is required, where can the required data be found, what periods of time will the study include, what will be the sample design, what techniques of the data collection will be used, how will the data be analyzed, in what style will the report be prepared. From the above stated design decision, one may split the overall research design into the following parts. First one, the sampling design, which deals with the method of selecting items to be observed for the given study. Second one, the observational design, which relates to the condition under which the observations are to be made. The statistical design, which concern with the question of many items are to be observed and how the information and data gathered are to be analyzed. The fourth one, the observational design, which deals with the techniques by which the procedure specified in the sampling, statistical and observational design can be carried out. Need for research design. A well-planned research design goes a long way in helping the researcher carry out her study effectively and efficiently. The purpose of research design is to facilitate smooth running of operations, to gain maximum information with minimum expenditure of efforts, time and money, to provide encourage for the study for straying aimlessly, to select appropriate methods or techniques to collect or analyze the data keeping in view the objectives of the study and the availability of personal time and money, to help the researcher in organizing her studies for law or inadequacy or limitation. The important features of research design. A plan specifies the sources and types of information relevant to the research problem. A strategy, which approach will be used for gathering information and analyzing the data. A time and cost budgets. Most studies are done under these two constants. Concepts. Before describing the different research design, it will be appropriate to explain the various concepts relating to design so that this may be better and easily understood. Variables, a concept which can take on different quantitative values. Qualitative phenomena or the attributes are also quantified. Example, weight, height and income. Dependent variable is a variable which depends upon or is a sequence and consequence of the other variable. Independent variables, antecedent to the dependent variable. Control, designed to minimize the influence or effort or extraneous variables. Confounded relationship, when the dependent variables is not free from influence of extraneous variable. The relationship between the dependent and independent variables is said to be confused by an extraneous variables. Research hypothesis. Predictive statement relates the dependent and independent variables to be independent variable. Relationships that are assumed but not to be tested are not termed research hypothesis. Experimental and control group. In an experimental hypothesis testing research, when a group is exposed to usual conditions, it is termed a control group. But when the group is exposed to some novel or special condition, it is termed an experimental group. Treatment. The different conditions under which experimental and control groups are put are usually referred to as treatments. In the illustration taken above, the two treatments are the usual studies program and the special studies program. Similarly, if we want to determine through an experiment the comparative impact of three varieties of fertilizer on the yield of wheat, in that case the three varieties of fertilizer will be treated as three treatments. Thank you.